Ever wonder how some families seem to have it all figured out when it comes to their finances? How do they manage to save, spend wisely, and still indulge in life's little luxuries? Well, it's not a secret formula. It's about effective budgeting and smart money management. Today we're going to explore 5 ways to save money and organize a family budget. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive in. First on our list is creating a budget. Sounds basic, right? But you'd be surprised how many people overlook this critical first step. A budget is the backbone of financial discipline. It's a clear picture of your income, expenses, and savings. Start by listing all sources of income and then detail your fixed and variable expenses. The goal here isn't to restrict spending, but rather to understand where your money goes and identify areas for potential savings. The second strategy is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can derail even the most well-planned budget. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, safeguarding you from unforeseen expenses such as medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It might seem daunting, but even small, regular contributions can add up over time. Firstly, organizing your finances provides you a clear snapshot of your current financial situation. It's easy to underestimate your financial potential when you're not keeping a tangible record. Structuring your finances can actually empower you to make better decisions regarding your money. Secondly, this organizational strategy lets you establish practical monetary goals and make plans for substantial aspirations like purchasing your dream home or planning a dream vacation. Allocating a certain portion of your income each week towards such dreams makes you more aware of where your money is directed and brings you a step closer to achieving them. Lastly, method prompts you to be proactive future, as opposed to reactive. It helps curb impulsive spending and stimulates conscious investment towards a secure and prosperous future. Fourth, harness the power of technology. There are countless apps and online tools designed to help you track spending, save money, and manage your budget. These tools can provide valuable insights into your spending habits, helping you identify patterns and make informed decisions about where to cut back. Lastly, practice conscious spending. This means making thoughtful decisions about every purchase. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Can I find a cheaper alternative? Will this purchase add value to my life? Conscious spending encourages you to prioritize your financial goals and make choices that align with them. In a nutshell, managing a family budget and saving money doesn't have to feel like a daunting task. It's about creating a realistic budget, building an emergency fund, adopting a cash-only policy for discretionary spending, harnessing the power of technology, and practicing conscious spending. Each of these strategies can help you take control of your finances, paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having an endless supply of money. It's about making smart decisions with what you have. So take these tips, apply them in your life, and witness the transformation they bring to your financial health.